Welcome to my channel. Today we will create a watermark in a free photo editing app, Photopea. I will use the online version, so go directly to the site. Just for your information, I am not a registered user of Photopea. You can follow me with your open app in a separate browser window, and it is free. A great feature is, this app is practically identical or very similar to Photoshop functionality, so if you have any experience in Photoshop, your workflow will be easy. So let's create a new document. I will choose the letter template in landscape view, but it is up to your preference. We will create a watermark based on a text signature, but you can also create a graphic-based watermark or combined with the text in a similar way. Select the text tool and click anywhere into the document. Type in your watermark text. In my case, it will be the signature. Now go to the Edit menu and select Free Transform. Scale the text box, and don't forget to add the Shift key pressed while transforming to get proportional transformation. Now double-click on the text layer to select the text. Find an appropriate font for your watermark signature. Click the eye icon next to the background layer to make the layer invisible. This will allow us to save the watermark image with transparency. Now rename the document. This name will be used when exporting the final image. Click on the Project tab. Type in your document name. Let's save our artwork. Go to File and select Export As. Make sure you choose the PNG file option. Also, check whether the background layer is set to invisible. In the Save for Web window, press the Save button. As you can see, the finished file is being downloaded into your computer. Now, I'll close the document, as I have saved it already in PNG format for further use. Let's open an image, and apply the new watermark on it. Now import the watermark we recently created. Go to File, and select Open and Place option. Locate the PNG file we created on your hard disk, and open it. Let's use the free transform tool to scale and rotate the watermark. Hold the Shift key pressed while rotating to achieve the exact vertical position. Now, while the watermark layer is selected, try to decrease the opacity to get the more blended effect. Finally, let's rename our document and save it as JPEG. Now, is our watermarked photo downloaded and ready to be used for any application? Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and press the subscribe button.